I picked up my first point and shoot camera when I was like 8. I got it as a gift from my aunt, and I don't know what she saw in me, but she knew that like I needed that. I always had a camera in my hand, so I was like, I'll just jump in the darkroom, take some photos, take some classes. I just kind of fell in love. I found my passion and I kind of just pursued it. I actually had no idea I could make a living being a photographer until I was in school. And one of my professors was a advertising photographer, and he kind of took me under his wing and showed me like, no, you can make real money. You can get out there, like you can do this. Everyone needs those foundations and the skills. And I think that the school really prepared me for the technical aspect of that. I love everything about my career. I love the fact that it's never consistent. I love that I'm traveling. I love that I'm going places, doing different things. My favorite part, I think, of advertising is the fact that I'm selling like a feeling, a mood, a product to people. What I do is I will bring my clients into the studio, bring models, whatnot, shoot. I do a lot of like beauty, a lot of lifestyle, a lot of fashion in studio. You have to really give it your all. Like I was making not that much money when I started, and now I'm making a lot more money. So I'm much more confident and passionate about the projects. Being a female, I thought I was totally hindered and I wasn't gonna get as many jobs. I wasn't gonna be taken seriously. I was like this tiny little 22-year-old on jobs, like carrying equipment. But people took me seriously. I really feel that it's so important that there's more women in the industry. Nothing can stop you from trying, enrolling, pursuing your passion, following your dreams. Everyone putting themselves out there and working their butts off like will get somewhere at the end of it.